solution for this example, all you need to do, adjacent to the column, type what you want to see. Once you've done it, highlight the column. You can go data flash fill or push Ctrl E and it'll do it. Over here we want to make it so it's first name, initial of the second name, and surname. So again we type it. Once we have it, we go here. I'm going to push Ctrl E. Excel does what it can, leave some blanks. You go and tell it what you want to see there, and when you click enter, it pulls it through. Down here we want to turn this into proper case. What we can do, so if you've got very long names, you don't want to have to retype them, you can just go and copy this section. For now we're going to paste it here, make the change we want only on this one. Okay, so I've got that, I want to see that, highlight it, data, flash fill, and you'll see it goes and puts capitals on the first name and surname. The last one we want to add to these names the email address, so at gmail.com, but the standard we have is that it's first letter of the first name and then the surname. So we'll go So once you've got that right, you highlight it, Control E, and you'll see immediately, if you look carefully, it's done that in all cases. First letter of the first name, surname, at gmail.com.